Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can add keyframes in CapCut on PC. So the first step you simply need to do is to open CapCut and import any video clip into the timeline. So I import a clip. So let's suppose I want to add keyframe onto this section. So select the clip and go on to the basic. So here I want to add a keyframe. So you simply need to, here you can see add keyframe option. Click on that. Move again, and now I want to add the zoom in effect like this. So now I'm going to show you the final result. It will have a music in the background, so let me first close the music. So now I'm going to show you the final result. Here you can see. So this is the process by which you can easily add keyframes in CapCut on PC. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.